What's going on, guys? Thanks for joining me for another episode of Caleb's Property Maintenance. Today we are here at this nice lawn which I showed you in the previous video, and we're going to be doing the mulch job here. And guys, I already got it all weeded, and they wanted a couple of the smaller bushes here trimmed, so I got that taken care of as well. And so now, guys, we're going to be edging the beds, and I thought I would take this opportunity to show you guys how I edge the beds. I have a machine. It's made by Little Wonder, and it's called the Bed Edger, and it's the only machine that I know of that you are able to walk forward and edge the beds at the same time. All the other machines you have to pull backwards. So guys, I am going to show you this thing and show you how easy it is to use it. This machine is probably one of my favorite machines and cuts down the work tremendously. So without further ado, let's get right to it. Look at how nice that edge is. I mean, perfect. Absolutely perfect. And the dirt is all rolled up in the bed. Absolutely perfect. I don't think you could ask for anything better than that. I really don't know how you could. Alright, let's keep going. Check this out, guys. The line used to go straight through there, but these hydrangeas here, they don't want really trimmed too much, so I just made a new edge right there. Easily, without any problem, we'll just clean it out and it'll be all set. Look at how nice that is. Could you guys imagine doing that by hand? Oh, it'd take you a long time. Alright. I'm just gonna finish this up without showing you guys, but we got to do this bed right here. I'll probably do around here and there by the fence by hand, and then all along the back side as well. So I'll probably just get that done real quick and then show you guys how I clean out the edge. Alright guys, so I actually wrapped up all the raking of the edge here. Let me show you guys. I don't know if you can see or not. You should be able to. How nice that looks. Let's go over here where it's sunny. Oh, you know what? While we're here, guys, do you have any idea what that weed is? That weed, I like to call it, or I like to say that it grows like underground ivy. You ought to see it when you start digging with the shovel. It's all these white trailer things that are underneath it. So maybe you guys could help me out. I don't know what it is. This whole bed back here in this area was loaded with it last year, and I sprayed some stuff on it and got rid of most of it, so I'm gonna have to do a repeat application this year, and then that should take care of it. I'll show you in a second where there's a little bit more, but nothing real crazy as far as edging goes. Just take a dirt rake and rake it up and smooth it out. Break up the clods if there are any, Last year it was the first time I had done it, so it was a little bit harder to edge, so this time it was a lot easier. Alright guys, here are the other weeds. So they're all loaded in here. This is not the same thing right here, but that is the weed right here. It's like a 3-leafed, I'm not sure. So, let me know what it is, guys. I'd greatly appreciate that. That way, at least I can know what I'm talking about. So, alright guys, all the beds are ready for mulch. I'm going to take a lunch break, and then I will be back. We have 4 yards to spread. Last year we had 5 delivered, and 5 was too much, so we're thinking that we took about 4 yards, so we'll see how accurate we are. It is the natural color, by the way. And I really like how this turned out, too. This curve right here. Really nice around the hydrangea like that. So, we'll catch up with you in a little bit. Wow, guys, I'm walking through this grass. A little weedy over here. My dad's blowing off. Alright guys, we'll show you starting in the backyard. How about that? Guys, always make sure you shut gates. So we got right here where the hosta are coming up. Got around that butterfly bush. Got around that butterfly bush right there. Got all along here next to the house, like that. Got all along the fence. Right there. Got around these rose bushes. Right in there. Got around this bush right here. This right here. Alright guys, now let's go to the front. I think it turned out really well. Everything all edged and all real nice. I think it's really good. They have a whole house generator, as you can see. So we got with this addition right there, which I think is looking really nice. Ooh, there we go. That little, because it used to just go straight. So I think that looks good. We'll see what they say. So then all along in here by the air conditioner, right along in here, that edge looks nice again. Then we got along up here in front of the house. In front of the house right along there. And right along here. So guys, it took, wait for the helicopter. So guys, it took exactly 4 yards, and natural. I love spreading natural. It doesn't get any dye on anything. So, alright, that wraps it up for this one. I gotta get out of here. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Have a great day.